Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel, Fishing Around Colorado Springs. This is part of my how to cook over a campfire videos, and today's video I'm going to do campfire chili. Now, it's really easy. In fact, all the cooking videos that I do are all super easy and super tasty for all you people that go camping and maybe go camping for the first time. So, I have my fire started and it's going, and this is what I have. I have some onions already chopped up. I have 1 pound of ground beef. You can also use, vegetarian beef if you want to as well. The Beyond Beef type of crumbles is really good. And not in any particular order, I have some corn, some black beans, kidney beans, and diced tomatoes, homemade tomato sauce, which is really good, and of course, chili powder, some garlic powder, and oregano. We're gonna get started really easy. I have my cast iron pot right here. Just gonna take our onions and throw them right in. It's like that. Easy peasy. And now we're gonna just take our ground beef and get it cut open. I'm gonna put it in the pot, just like that. And we're gonna put this on the campfire. We're gonna let it cook so the onions are nice and tender and the beef is cooked through. So let's get it on right now. Okay, the fire is nice and hot. The coals are great. Just gonna chop up this beef a little bit, just like that. I'm gonna throw a lid on it. And I'm gonna let this cook for maybe 5-10 minutes. Now I'm gonna stir it every once in a while. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna check on it. See how it's looking? It's doing great. Give it a little bit of a stir. This is such an easy meal. And it's really, really good. All right, time to stir it again. Oh, that's looking awesome. That's pretty much almost done. Give another chop up. I think the onions need a couple more minutes, but man, this is looking really good. Okay, it's been probably about 10 minutes. Let's check it out, see how it looks. That looks amazing. That is done. Let me show you really quick. Look at that. So that is perfect. And I'm gonna take it onto the table. I'm gonna put the rest of the ingredients on it and get it back on the fire. Okay. Now, typically at home, what I would do is drain it, but we're cooking on a campfire. So there's no reason to drain it. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in, doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put 2 good heaps of chili powder in it, just like that. Throw some oregano. Just shake it in, just shake it in. Garlic powder. It's probably enough. All right, kidney beans. I drained the kidney beans and I drained the beans and the corn. You don't have to, but I like it drained. People are like, You put black beans in your chili? Well, yes, I do. Kidney beans, black beans, and corn. I put corn in as well. It's a really hearty meal. Wow, I can't wait to eat this. All right. And we got some diced tomatoes here. I'm not gonna drain the diced tomatoes. I want the juices in there. Look at that. It's amazing. Amazing. And this is my homemade tomato sauce my wife and I cooked. I'm not gonna put all of it in because I have another recipe I'm gonna make, and I need some of the tomato sauce. Not all of it, but just some of it. That's probably enough. Let's stir it up. My God, I could eat this right now. I am famished at the moment. That looks amazing. Typically, you know, I'd probably put some salt and pepper in this if I was cooking at home, but I don't think I brought salt and pepper. All right, that's it. Get the lid back on and get it back on the fire. All right, back on the fire it goes. And I'll probably let this cook for like, I don't know, 20 minutes. Just as soon as I think it's done, I'm gonna stir it a few times and make sure that it's not burning on the bottom, but probably about 20 minutes. And I may need to throw another log or two on. We'll see. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's check it out. Put the lid up there. It is starting to boil a bit, but check that out. That is amazing looking. It's time to eat. Okay. Here we go. That looks amazing. I am famished. Can't wait to eat. Now, what's really good is cornbread with chili. My wife makes an amazing cornbread. I don't make an amazing cornbread. Maybe I will one of these days, but instead of cornbread, I just have some regular bread that I'm gonna eat with it. Let's try the chili. This is really delicious. It's not too hot, it's not too mild. Yes, I just sort of poured a bunch of stuff in, but it's up to you. You know, what kind of spices do you want to put in it? Do you want to put a little pepper in it? Do you want to put a little salt? A little chili powder? Too much? Too little? Hot? Mild? Whatever you want. It's really up to you to make the Campfire chili your own. Maybe what makes this chili a little different from other chilies is the extra stuff that I added, like the corn and the black beans. Basically, that's the only other two things that I added to it from normal chili, but it's really delicious and hearty. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And you have a wonderful time cooking on the campfire while camping.